Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. A large solar site can hide thousands of small defects, and manual inspection alone is too slow to catch them all before they become expensive. That is why AI-driven drone inspections are getting so much attention. But the real question is not whether drones replace engineers, it is whether they make engineers more effective. The short answer is yes, when the workflow is designed correctly. Drones collect data at scale. AI helps organize and classify what the data shows. Engineers still make the technical judgment, approve the remediation path, and manage the operational response. That division of labor is what makes the system work. Phase 1 is understanding what manual inspection misses. On utility-scale plants, walking rows takes time and introduces inconsistency. Often manual checks catch issues only after they become visible or financially material. By the time a problem is obvious to the eye, it may already have been affecting production for days or weeks. Some faults also appear thermally before they become obvious in standard review cycles. That means the issue is already there. It is just not being seen early enough. Phase 2 is where drone inspections create value. Thermal flights can surface hotspots, module anomalies, string-level outliers, and repeatable site patterns far faster than manual methods. The real advantage is not just speed, it is consistent visibility across the whole plant. Instead of inspecting a fraction of the site and hoping the problem shows up, you get a structured view of the full asset. This is where many teams get skeptical because they have seen too much vague AI marketing. So here is the practical view. AI does not change physics, it changes diagnosis speed. With ClearSpot, agentic automation helps process inspection data, organize likely fault types, and route findings into a workflow your operations team can act on. The faster you organize the findings, the faster you can make decisions. Your engineers spend less time sorting files and more time validating planning and resolving issues. It also improves communication because everyone works from the same structured evidence. When the data is organized correctly, the discussion becomes technical instead of chaotic. Phase 3 is what this means financially. Faster inspections reduce reporting lag, and better evidence improves prioritization. Earlier detection helps limit uncaptured yield. For large portfolios, operational consistency becomes a strategic advantage. Over time, those small improvements add up to a much stronger O&M program. The smartest solar teams are not choosing between people and automation. They are combining both, letting drones handle coverage, software handle scale, and engineers handle the decision. Let the drone handle coverage. Let the software handle scale. Let the engineer handle the decision. If you want to see how ClearSpot's agentic automation system helps engineering teams inspect faster and act with more confidence, visit ClearSpot AI. Subscribe for more videos on utility-scale inspections, hidden yield loss, and SolarO&M strategy. And if you want to see how ClearSpot's agentic automation system helps engineering teams inspect faster and act with more confidence, visit ClearSpot AI and explore what the platform can do for your portfolio. You'll see how drone data, AI classification, and engineer-led decision-making come together in one workflow that is built for scale. The goal is not to replace your team, it is to give them better visibility, faster triage, and a clearer path from inspection to action. When your portfolio is large, even small improvements in speed and accuracy can make a meaningful difference in output, uptime, and operational control. Like, share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.